guys, welcome back to my channel, Arty by Nature. I'm Agneta D. Thank you so much for joining me again. Like I've promised, I'm going to take nature and we're going to create a beautiful art. So today, behind me, I have a beautiful palm tree. This is what I'm going to be using to create a beautiful embellishment. So, let's have a closer look. I'm going to be using this to create an embellishment that you can upcycle anything that you want. So please continue to watch my video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I hope to be creating with you soon. Thank you so much. Bye. Hi my creative souls. Okay, continuing from my video, for those of you who've watched the previous intro, and haven't skipped through, these are the pine leaves that I was referring to. I've got a nice picture of it, and I've done a lovely video on it, and I'm going to use these to create a lovely embellishment. Now, like I've mentioned on the video, you can use this to upcycle anything, or if you're having a wedding theme, or birthday, or if you want to, decorate your pots or your vases, this is absolutely stunning. And you know what the lovely thing about it is, that you can manipulate it. Oh, but there's one thing I also want to mention. When it's green and and you've broken it off the tree, it's easy to manipulate. So don't break it off and dry them, because then they're just going to go brittle and just break, so you wouldn't be able to manipulate. But there's the trick, is that if you find these and they dry on the tree, the same time you can manipulate it. But if you're going to say, okay, let me take it today off and tomorrow I'll have it done, it's going to dry up. They dry up very quick and they just get brittle, and you cannot work with it. Okay, so enough about that. Let's get started on the video. I have a few samples of what it's going to look like, and I will explain to you the little tippy here and what it is for, or what you can use it for. Okay, so now we are going to, I use a hot glue gun. It's the best. It works. It holds it because it's a lot of stringy here. So you need a good glue support to hold it. So I'm going to use the base of the leaf and just stick it on. So I'm just going to hold it on as if I'm going to form a ring circle. Okay, and as soon as it's holding on and has a bit of support, you apply your hot glue to the bottom of the leaf. Okay, so for those of you who are going to use a hot glue gun for the first time, please be careful, because sometimes it can get a bit too hot. And then you're sitting with a little burn dent on your finger. I mean, I've experienced it. There you go. But it's nothing too serious. So just as you're going, you just stick, but just make sure you just give it a slight press, so that you are assuring that it is sticking and not opening. Maybe we don't want that to happen. This is beautiful. I love it. You know, I use it in so many of my crafts. And there you go. Okay, that's the other thing with the glue gun, but that's okay. So while the glue is actually just hot, you can just pull them off. You'll have a bit of a stringy texture. It's much easier just to remove them. Yeah, so this is basically it. Yeah, check how beautiful this is. And they have almost like a dragon sort of scaly look, which gives it such a good final definition once it's swiveled and or manipulated to how you want it. And this is just very beautiful. You know, let me just give you a closer look here. Look at that. That's absolutely stunning. Yeah, so I've got these ones done, but let me just quickly show you this. If you want to have a continuity like of a design, so you can make a few of this and just leave the tip, and if you place it, you know, if you're going to do this, it just forms a beautiful continuity. Just look at that. And it's more, you know, you would get these paisley prints, sort of just features that, but it's a stunning leaf or pine to work with, and easy manipulated to however suit your box design, your vase design. You can do anything with it. I just chose to show you the ring or circle or the swivel, because I think it's more challenging as far as just putting the glue on it and having it swiveled. So you can either leave it like this. If you're using dry off the tree immediately, then you can, it's a beautiful color, and you keep it brown. Otherwise you can have them painted and to suit your theme or your design, and it's going to look fabulous. Okay guys, so I've taken my green leaf, pine leaf, and what I've done, just to show you what you can do with it when you want to embellish something or decorate. Here I've painted a few that are gold. So I've used a rose gold. You can use any brand that you want. I've sprayed them gold, and I think these are so stunning. You can use them on anything that you want to just add a bit of or just to beautify it, you know. This will give it more of a rustic you know, vintage sort of looks, but you can play around with how you want to actually set it onto your gifting box, your vase, or your pot plants, and so on. And otherwise you can just keep it as is, but you can spray them any color that you want. Here I've used, okay, just black, you know, you get different shades of black, but I've just used a gloss black, and well, basically this is what it looks like. I've just added a bit of if you could see, a bit of glitter onto it, because I am going to use this on a project. So this is what the black looks like, you know, and I think it's absolutely stunning on a white sort of surface, red. But I mean, you know what you would want to do with it, so you can spray it to any color. So yeah, so I've used a spray can, and I've just sprayed them, and this is the end result. Okay, so these were the pine leaves, and let me just show you a close-up of it. They're beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Look at how stunning is that. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you liked it, again, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more little decorative art from nature, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, and I hope you guys will stay tuned for the next video. I should have the next video up by next week, so I'll do a little intro as to what it's going to be about. And keep watching, and thank you so much, and thank you for the support. It means everything to me. Bye for now.